Hello everyone. Today is my first video I'm making on US stocks. I previously wrote a little code that pick up some data for stocks, and they pick up their behavior based on some criteria. For example, this is for line, and you can see it's important that the company is growing, other factors and everything. So what I wanted to get was the average of these some values that one industry have. For example, Disney, it's in entertainment. I just wanted to know what is the TV growth or book for one industry, and I compared Disney with one industry rather than. So I just wanted to be comparing apple to apple. So to do this, I got my computer punching some numbers from websites, and it's got some data from different industries for last year. Okay, or some of them are 2019. Because some companies like NVIDIA, they just release it early in the year. Other companies release it a bit later. Anyway, for example, there are some companies that I believe the index. So this is the ticker. This is the ticker of the companies and what industry they are, and the date, and the PE ratio is price per earning ratio. So I just want to know if the companies, if this industry is overpriced or not, and what is the debt to equity ratio for all these ones, and what is the debt to asset ratio, and the rest of the parameters. Anyway, it's been generated, and now we just wanted to understand what is what. Anyway, so this is you have a look again at the headers, the columns, ticker, industry, date, the ratio with R capital, debt to equity, and the rest. So what we're going to do, we're going to read this CSV file and load it into the Python. I'm using Spider, and I love it because it gives me like MATLAB experience. So import pandas as PD. Then we're gonna import the CSV file as a data frame. So the name is all industry in mean detail. Just quickly check this. Let me copy it. Okay, it works. I'll clean everything. So just out of these, we're going to work out how many industries do we have there. So we say industry is equal to df dot df finally we make it first. See if it works. Yep. We have 69 industries mentioned in here. Okay. Oh, beautiful. So out of this one, we create a pivot table to give us the average value of each industry. What we're going to do, I would say, I'll just set it on data frame. As well, I'll call it DS. Let's call it so df dot pivot table, and we just want the x, the column for x. We want it to be in the x. We want the industry to be in the x column there. So we just say industry. Industry. If we run it, okay. We get information. Okay, for example, in advertising, we have 1.33, but be careful, because some of these advertisement company, they had, for example, debt to equity ratio, which is negative. Negative equity, it means it's a dangerous company and we should avoid this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some numbers. For example, P ratio of 0 means price per earning. I don't think this company's made money. Let's have a check at this one. Yep. So earning before tax, whatever, it is negative. So I'm going to remove all these ones. This is negative. And remove all these, the one that didn't make money at all. So I'm going to do what I'm going to do. I would say ds is equal to ds where ds, what is that? ds, I'll write df. How do I write it? Because this one is, if we have something negative, it brings down the average one, so it's not helping me. Sorry, this one. So this one, for example, we have a debt to equity ratio which is negative. So, for example, in here we have this one minus 2. So the company is losing money and losing their equity value. So if I have all these one, it brings this debt to ratio, and I think, okay, they have this industry is good, but no. So I just wanted to remove all these ones, negative ones. So I would write, sorry, so I would say ds where P ratio, P ratio, the R capital is more than, more than 1. I would say another condition. So we want everything greater than 1. And if I was looking at these, sorry, I'm going to do it at df. df. I would say df. Two. So I want everything with a debt to equity ratio of greater than 1 or greater than 0. Did I show something different? Debt to equity and debt to asset. Okay. This is the first time I'm making a video, so sorry guys. Okay, so if you run these, we should not have 50. Oh, and the other one, I just want this one to be positive as well, because the companies, if they're earning before tax and stuff is less negative, it means they didn't make money. But I want the companies which is positive. So I'm going to remove all these ones too. So we copy this one again. We just say anyway, so we have a comparison at the moment, in a second. So this one, we run this, we have a DF2, so it's reduced about 100 of them roughly. So when we go debt to equity ratio positive, so whoa, we lost 1,000 of them. And this one, yep, so we lost 1,000 of numbers here. And okay, so in the entertainment, so these entertainment companies that already here, they are positive. They should be positive. This makes money here. P ratio is positive. Debt to equity is not too bad. It is okay. Debt to asset, current ratio, dividend, ROC. Now we have, I'll just copy this one again. And we go PS2. Just quickly run it in here. Okay, and have a look. So advertisement, current ratio. This is the company is selected. So this is the company, not every single company. So they're the one that working and they're producing and they're generating money. So I want this one to be my above average company. So I think this is I think we put a bar a bit higher than normal, but okay. So airline industry, for example, current ratio is 0.7 almost. Debt to asset, or they have more debt than assets generally speaking. Dividend, not very efficient cash flow. I'll explain what these numbers tell you. Very high PE. Oh, very high PE. Let's check what's the story. Airline, yeah. Oh, this is something that I think crank up all the numbers. And we are going to remove that. You got a point. If you compare here, we come to the first data we open up. Well, we can understand what is the situation. For example, all the bad guys noticed bio do that. Hardware, application, measure, orders, online, program exchanges. I'm going to show you guys something. Biotechnology, if you have a look at that, for example, biotechnology, they do not make good money at all. They're losing money. Not everyone, but like this is. So you see, all they have negative. A lot of them have missed. So we got a point up. Probably not a good idea to invest in biotechnology at the moment, based on 2018 performance. So this has been removed. When it comes to DS, I think because they removed, we put a bar very high for any of them. So this is it.